Hello, welcome to the artifact review video for Sprint 1 for the musicianship app project number 15, team number 15. Here we have our sprint in Taiga, and you can see our burn down chart here at the top. And here are the tasks that we have. We started out with 3 user stories. As a user, I would like to be able to make a live recording of my audio and have it played back. As an admin user, I want to see an admin page prototype so I can view activities that are already in the system and view settings provided. And as a developer, I would like to have web server to communicate and route clients. So our our sprint goal for our sprint 1 was to establish basic UI frameworks, commence prototyping server, microphone input, and audio playback code. So the way that we achieved those goals was through assigning these separate tasks. We had audio playback task, web server task, and wireframe mockup tasks that were done in an effort to achieve our sprint goal, which we felt that we did. To go into some of the ways that we achieve these, this is for task number 12. We have a WebRTC and RecordRTC modules that are set up here. If we go into public, you can see the actual JS file where we have the functions. Obviously, the library is pretty large, and we have a lot of different things that we need to be able to get the audio and video, but this is part of the code that we got for that section. Here we see one of the wireframe UI mockups. This is for a triads activity. Here we have a create assignment mockup. And here we have login mockups. They're a little bit large, so it's hard to see the entire thing at once, but I can scroll through these and we can see here we have the musician login and the web app login. Here we have server.js code for task number 6. The package for the JSON for that same task number 6. And that is all for the code that we have. We have more things that we can go in depth, but that basically covers the goals that we had, which was to establish, like it is mentioned here in our project plan, to establish prototyping server, which we saw through the server.js code, the microphone input and audio playback, which we saw through the WebRTC and RecordRTC modules. Just to quickly review the project plan, we have here, we have the start goal, we have the burn down chart, we have links to our meeting minutes right here, if we wanted to look at those real quick. Not signed in on this web browser, so here, let me go ahead and copy and paste this. Here we have the chart for our sprint meeting minutes, stand-up minutes, planning minutes, and retrospective minutes, but that's not code, but it's just something to show for the video. Sponsor feedback, feature changes, and technical challenges. Technical challenges included working with RTC. We had some technical challenges with testing the different mechanisms that were included in the documentation, and we had to use web browsers, get user media to get over some of those challenges that we had with the mechanisms. But we see that we have a majority of our code and our UI mockups already completed. It's in early stages right now, so we're sort of getting through those small bumps early on, but we had all of our tasks completed. Our burn down chart shows that we had 0 pending points 2 days before the sprint was actually over. The burn down chart is explained further in the project plan report, but that is all for the code that we have for this artifact review. Thank you very much.